How to clear YouTube search and watch history. To start, open your YouTube application in your mobile device. Once on YouTube, tap on your profile photo on the upper right. And then in here, click on the gear icon that says Settings. Once you are at Settings, go to Manage All History. In here, choose the Google account where you want to manage the history with. Now wait for Google account to finish loading. Once you are here, tap on the Delete button on the center right. And then in here, you have the option to delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time, depending on your preference. For now, go to Saving Your Search History on the upper corner. Then, you can turn this off. Then click on Pause. This will pause your YouTube history. Now the setting is off for YouTube history. You can turn this anytime on your own preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.